Do you ever sit down to watch your favorite AI legend video and see that the video is far too long for you? Well, today I'm going to show you how to summarize YouTube videos. So once you're in your video, you go down to the description, click more. That brings up the full description. Scroll down, you get to the bottom here and you've got show transcript. Click on that. And now over the side here we get the full transcript of the video. Select it all, copy and paste, right click, copy, control C, whatever you do. Obviously we don't need to teach you how to do that stuff. Jump over to ChatGPT. I've just got the first prompt here. Summarize this YouTube transcript into a concise overview. Let's hit that and see what Chat comes back with. Overview of the YouTube transcript. This video focuses on creating concept art for video games using Midjourney. Awesome. Now let's see. Can you give me the prompts used throughout the video? Let's see if it can actually extract that. Prompts mentioned or implied. Yes, I was going to say it might make up its own things here. You'd have to strictly... Obviously, I don't have time to go through all of that to find the prompts used. But you can extract the prompts or say, what is the most important lesson in the video? So you can now just go through that transcript. Like obviously sometimes videos can be an hour long, very in-depth videos, podcasts, anything like that. You can just jump on here and get a very easy to follow text. Alright, so now we will find a very long video. So we've got a 30-minute video here. So again, go, good old ads. How to upload YouTube videos to get more views. Probably something I should be paying attention to. Open up the description, scroll all the way down, show transcript, copy all the transcript. Can you please break this transcript down into a simple step-by-step guide? Now I'm assuming this video would be a step-by-step guide. I haven't watched the video, but let's see. Sign in, optimizing while uploading, create a catchy keyword-rich title, description, thumbnail, video settings. So it is going through and telling you all the bits and pieces. So there you go. In what, a minute, we have broken down a 30-minute video into something that is clear, easy to follow, and very actionable. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll leave it there. If you don't mind, can you leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with future videos we post. Thanks again. Have a good one.